concern over the self-regulatory mechanism of the News Broadcasting Standards Authority. While hearing a plea challenging the sanctity of the NBA statutory framework, the court has held that the fine of 1 lakh rupees is no deterrent. Ashmit is standing by now with more details. Ashmit, take us through what the court has said in this matter and the likely implications.
Well, the takeaway that the Apex Court essentially has given to the News Broadcasters Association, or the NBA, is that the current self-regulatory framework in place for media channels is not enough of a deterrent. That's the concern being expressed. The application in question was essentially a plea by the NPA that challenges a Bombay High Court order. That High Court order essentially had questioned the statutory sanction that the NBA enjoys. Now, in this exchange between the counsel for the NBA, Arvind Dattar, as well as between the Apex Court, it was pointed out that the NBA has the powers to slap penalty to the tune of 1 lakh rupees. Now, that is something that the Apex Court observed is grossly insufficient, that in today's world where the channels are making money, it is not enough. 1 lakh rupees is not enough deterrent. In fact, he went on to say that there should be another mechanism involved. There should be another mechanism developed that, in fact, counts the penalty as a percentage of the profits being made by the company. So that's a new formula being proposed here. In fact, the Chief Justice who was hearing this case went a step further and said that there is perhaps more bite that is needed in these regulations, and until that is done, the current framework looks grossly insufficient. So that's the broad message being sent out. This is one conversation that the Chief Justice said that he's keen on beginning, and with not just the channel but the wider stakeholder body, to arrive at a self-regulatory formula. But in the same breath, the Apex Court was quick to point out that it does want to steer clear of any form of censorship, of any form of state control on media. So that is a guardrail that he set for himself, but clearly keen on deploying a stronger regulatory framework, one that has more bite, in Justice Chandrachud's words.
Many thanks for joining us. In fact, Ashmit was also reporting from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has put out an important clarification saying that certain remarks attributed to the Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud are false, and the social media post that has been put out is plain mischievous. Now, India